Hello, my name is Dylan, and this is the app I made for Unit 5, Lesson 4, the lists part of the course. So, my task was to make the Remind Me button, which adds reminders to the user's app, and can add or delete, or not delete, but just add reminders. For example, go to school. It adds it as my first reminder, as the number changes at the bottom. And then I can add another one, like go to dinner. And if I select there, there's my second reminder. So the way this works is by making lists, if and else statements, conditional statements, functions. And the beginning of my code is for this set property, it's for when the user starts the app, this message pops up that says add reminders. And after that, I had to make variables for the new list and the index, which is like the number of things that are going to be. So this on event block is on event that I press this add button. The new list from this reminder input will be up here and updated and displayed. The other block is the update screen, which is a function that has three properties to it. The first one is a reminder output, so that the text actually displays. And the new list index, that is the new list and the number of words that are there. The second one is a set property that's a count output, which is this 0, that every time I press this arrow when I add a reminder, it actually changes to 1. And it changes to 2, which I can go back and forth. This last one is when set property when I am to lunch. When I am done with this, it'll display so that the user can write their new reminder. This other event block is for the write button. So I made a conditional statement because it was much easier than having to make a bunch of event blocks. So what this reads is if the index is less than the new list length minus 1, then this will operate, which it is, because this would be -1, because the length of the list is 0 minus 1, that would be -1. So index is also equal to 0. So 0 is, yeah, that's part of it. And when it's true, the index is equal to index, so 0 plus 1, plus the update screen, which is the function that I just talked about. The same thing with the left, but in this case it would be reversed. So the index, if the index, which is 0, is greater than 0, yeah. So if that's true, then the index will equal to index minus 1. And it would also update the update screen with the same function. Yes, this was my app for Unit 5, Lesson 4.